Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. Today I bring you a DIY tutorial. I'm going to be making some wall art. This was actually inspired by a home decor company called Umbra. They make these really cool metal shapes that you can buy and stick on your walls. I believe they call it wall confetti. I'll insert some pictures so you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's what inspired this DIY. So yeah, before we start, I'm just going to go over these supplies with you like I always do. I have here some illustration board. If you don't want to use illustration board, you can always use a heavy cardstock paper or even just regular cardboard. I also have here a ruler. I would suggest that you use a metal ruler. This one here has a cork backing, just because I'm also going to be using an X-Acto knife to cut out the shapes, and the metal ruler comes in really handy when you need to cut straight lines. I have here some diamond shapes. These are from my Mod Podge template set, but you can also find templates online or even just make your own. Scissors, like I said, an X-Acto knife, pencil, paint brushes. I have here some paints I've already mixed. This is a coral acrylic paint and a metallic gold craft paint. And lastly, I'm going to be using this poster putty to stick the shapes on the walls. This is supposed to be really good if you don't want to cause any damage to your walls. So yeah, we'll try it out and see if it works. But yeah, that's it for these supplies. Let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is my finished version of the Umbra metal shape confetti decorations. I'm just going to move around a bit so you can see that metallic gold reflect. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm really into metallic finishes. I feel like I'm always using metallic paints in my DIYs, but yeah, I'm just really into it right now. Yeah, overall, I'm happy with this DIY. I like how it turned out. The poster putty seems to be holding on pretty well. This has been up for a week and nothing's really budged. I did remove one of the diamond shapes just to see how well the putty comes off the walls. It did leave behind a little bit of like residue and little bits of putty, but I found that if I go back in with like another piece of putty just over top and stipple it, it does lift those bits right off. I didn't notice any staining. Mind you, my walls are not white, they are gray, and this has only been up for a week. So yeah, do with that what you will, but for me, I'm pretty impressed with the putty so far. Yeah. If you guys have any other ideas for DIYs you want me to do, leave them down in the comments and I'll make note and put them down on my list of things to do. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.